to know that he is continuing to receive the love and support from the Filipino communities from all over the world. And he's happy to see us, his family.
Medyo matagal po kayo ngayon.
Meron pong mga situation sa loob na it's beyond our control. Doon lang siya sa loob ng mga ano. But we're happy that they gave us extra time to make up for the time we lost for some things that happened inside, yes.
BP, this is the first time na kumpleto kayo, si Ms. Hanilet, si Kitty, kayo po. How has this uplifted the spirit of your father?
Well, I believe he's happy because Kitty and I were there, and then we talked about her boyfriend.
Patay!
Thank you, ma'am. Oo.
Bibi, Maharlika po.
Yes, ma'am.
Kumusta po si PRRD at this point in time?
Okay naman siya. Okay siya. Kitty gave him a massage.
Wow!
And then Kitty, ikaw na magsabi.
Well, yung mga kwento
Ano siya, na speechless siya sa boyfriend. Hindi ata ready sa questions ha.
Ayun.
Okay.
So, so ayun, I was updating him with the situation with our families, and is happy to hear that we are all doing well, that we are all okay, and that we are continuing to pray for him. And ayun, mga positive things lang. We are telling him things that will uplift his spirit and things that will give him strength while he is inside.
Nice. May advice ba siya sa'yo?
Secret mo. May mga bilin
About
siya.
boyfriend.
May
Na-shock ba
mga
siya?
bilin siya, pero nasa sunod na.
Secret muna.